Hello. Good morning. Good morning to you. How are you, little girl? How's my little girl? How's my little girl doing? Good morning. Yes. How are you doing? How are you doing? Yes, good morning. Good morning. Good morning to you. Good morning. It's 2010. Happy 2010. Yes, happy 2010 to you. What are you doing? Huh? What's my little girl doing? Look at those big brown eyes. Yes, look at those. Where's your eyes? That's so cute. Yes, that's so cute. What are you doing? Yes, you're so cute. You waking up? Look at that. Stretching up? Yes. That's how you wake up every morning. You just can't quite get out of the bed, can you, huh? You just can't quite get out of that bed, huh? Huh, little girl? Do you want to go outside? Huh? Hey, are you going to wake up? You want to get outside and start your day? Hey, lazy head. Hey, lazy head. Are you being a lazy head? Oh, she goes, oh, look at that. What? Don't wake you up? You don't want me to wake you up? Is that what you're saying? Whoops, there you go. Okay, let's go.